Hello friends, welcome back to Learning with Pace. Friends, today in this video we will read future perfect tense. The sentence of future perfect tense show that the work will be completed in the future. First of all, we will know identification. क्रिया के साथ चुकेगा, चुकेगी, चुकेंगे are. With the first person I will, we will use helping or shall have, and with second person you and the third person he, she, it and they, we will use helping or will have. First of all, we will see affirmative sentence. What are the subjects plus will or shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. First sentence is राजपथ लिख चुका होगा. First of all, we will write subject. Subject is Raj. Raj is the third person subject, and with the third person subject, we will use will have. Raj will have plus verbs third form. Verb is write. Wrote, written. Third form of write is written. Written plus object is the letter. Raj will have written the letter. Next sentence, हम विद्यालय जा चुके होंगे. Subject is we. We is the first person subject, and with the first person subject we will use shall have. Shall have plus verb third form. Verb is go. Went, gone. Third form of go is gone to school. We shall have gone to school. Next sentence, हम पुस्तक पढ़ चुके होंगे. Subject is we. We is the first person subject, so we will use helping or shall be. Shall have. We shall have plus verb third form. Verb is read, write, write. Third form of read is write. Write plus object. Object is the book. We shall have read the book. Next sentence, तुम कपड़े धुल चुके होंगे. Subject is you, and you use a second person subject, so we will use will have. You will have plus verb third form. Verb is was, washed, washed. Third form of was is washed plus object. Object is the cloth. You will have washed the clothes. Now we will see negative sentence. What are the subject plus will, shall plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object. Between will, shall and have we will use not. First sentence is मैं दूध नहीं पी चुका होऊंगा. Subject is I. I is the first person subject, and with the first person subject we will use shall. shall plus not plus have plus verb third form. Verb is drink, drank, drunk. Third form of drink is drunk, drunk plus object is the meal. I shall not have drunk the milk. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, तुम पुस्तक नहीं पढ़ चुके होंगे. सब्जेक्ट इज यू. use a second person subject, and with a second person subject we will use will. You will plus not plus have plus verb third form. Verb is read, write, write. Third form of read is write, write plus object is the book. You will not have read the book. Next sentence, चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजा चुका होगा. सब्जेक्ट इज तपियन. Tpiyan is a third person subject, so we will use will. Will have, sorry, will not plus have. Tpiyan will not have plus verb third form. Verb is ring, rang, rung. Third form of ring is rung, rung the bell. The Tpiyan will not have rung the bell. Next sentence, हम विद्यालय नहीं जा चुके होंगे. Subject is we. We is a first person subject, so we will use shall not plus have plus verb third form. Verb is go, went, gone. Gone to school. We shall not have gone to school. Now let us see interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentence. First, yes or no type. Second, WH type. First of all, we will see yes or no type question sentences. This type of sentences start with helping verb. Helping verb will, shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज क्या सोनू पत्र लिख चुका होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज विल और शैल. सोनू इज अ थर्ड पर्सन सब्जेक्ट, सो वी विल यूज विल. विल प्लस सब्जेक्ट विल सोनू प्लस हैव plus verb third form. Verb is write, wrote, written. Third form of write is written plus object. Object is the letter. the letter plus question mark. Will Sonu have written the letter? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, क्या हम पुस्तक पढ़ चुके होंगे? सब्जेक्ट इज वी एंड वी इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन सब्जेक्ट, सो वी विल यूज शैल. शैल प्लस सब्जेक्ट इज वी, shall we plus have plus verb. Third form verb is read, write, write. Third form of read is write, write plus object is the book. Shall we have read the book? Second type is WH type. This type of sentences start with question word. Question words as when, where, why, what, how many, how much, such type of words. Question word plus helping verb plus subject plus have plus verb third plus subject plus question mark. राजू कपड़े क्यों धुल चुका होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट क्वेश्चन वर्ड. क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज व्हाई. व्हाई. नाउ वी विल यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ड. अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज बिलो शैल. राजू इज अ थर्ड पर्सन सब्जेक्ट, सो वी विल यूज विल. Why will plus subject is Raju. Raju plus have plus verb. Third form verb is was. Washed, washed. Third form of was is washed. Washed plus object. Object is the cloth. Why will Raju have washed the clothes? Next sentence, हम हॉकी कब खेल चुके होंगे? Question word is when. We is the first person subject and with the first person subject we will use shall. When shall plus subject is we plus have plus verb. Third form verb is play, play, play. Third form of play is play. Play the topic. When shall we have played the hockey? Friends, how you liked this video? Please do say comment. Thank you.